and welcome to my kitchen again. This is Ada's Delicacies. How are you? How is everything going? Today we'll be making oven grilled tilapia fish, and tilapia fish is one of my favorite fish. So I'll be using it today. This has been cleaned, it has been washed, and it's all looking nice and neat. So what I'll be doing first and foremost, I've got a few ingredients I'm going to be using today. I've got ginger, grounded ginger. That's the ginger over there. I've got curry powder. I've also got all-purpose seasoning. I'll be adding that today there. And I put thyme as well. And a bit of blended grounded pepper. That's what it looks like. I've got onions. And also soya pepper. So I'll be adding vegetable oil to the mixture as well. So let's get started. So first things first, with the tilapia fish, it's all been washed and cleaned. If you have a look at it, it's all been washed. It's looking nice and juicy. So what we're going to do is we'll make some incisions on the tilapia fish. And the reason why we're making this incision is after I do the mixture, what I'm going to be doing now, I'll be putting all the mixture inside the incision so that it will be well marinated in it. So what I'll do is I'll just give it a slight cut here. I'll cut it over here as well. And here, I'll just put it in a diagonal way. I'll turn the back as well, and then I cut the incision as well here, also here, and here as well. So that's the incision, nice and made. So let's start the mixture now. Thank you. So first thing first, I'm gonna add 1 spoon of sunflower oil. It's just to get the marinade in. Or I'll add 2 spoons anyway. Let's see. That's it, 2 spoons going in. I'll add thyme as well, just a little bit of thyme. Yeah. I'll also add grounded ginger. Just add a little bit of that. I'll add the crushed curry powder. That's the curry powder over there. I'll put a bit of the all-purpose seasoning. And also a bit of pepper. Just a little, very little bit, just. I'm not a pepper person, so we'll add the chopped onions. That's it. And then I'll add the soya pepper as well. That's the soya pepper. You can use it making suya, chicken suya, beef suya. That's it. So because the oil is not that much, I'm going to be adding a few oil again, just to get the marinade in. That's it. 4 spoons of oil. And then I mix it all together. That's it. That's the mixture. Yeah. That's the mixture. Let's have a look. That's it there. So we'll mix it all together. So that's the way the mixture looks like. So here is the fish. Once I've done with the mixture, I put all the marinades on the fish. So here is it. I use my brush and then I tuck it all in. So all the marinade goes in. So stir it to the other side. And then rub it in. So I take some bits of it and then chuck it in the pockets of it, the inner parts as well. I put it in the pockets of the fish. Yeah, that's all it going into the marinade. Meanwhile, we set the oven to 150 to get it all hot, and then that's it. All the marinade is going in. Yeah, you can see it now, all nice and marinated. So when you set it to 150, the oven is already been preheated. So that's all the marinade all gone in. Yeah, that's it. It's all been marinated. So we'll try and put it in the oven now. So we'll place the marinated fish in the oven. I guess my oven already. Yeah, so that's the fish going into the oven. Let's have a look. And we'll leave it for about 15 minutes. And then it turn it. Yeah. So after about 7 minutes, we open the oven to see how the fish is grilling. So we'll put a bit of the marinade in it, just for a proper texture. That's it. And then we'll cover it up again and allow it to grill for about 15 minutes again. So viewers, here is the finished look of my oven grilled tilapia fish, all looking nice and yummy. You can have this with fried plantain, you can have it with stew, you can have it just like that. But if you like this video, please share with friends and families. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below if there's anything you feel that I haven't done right. Thank you for watching. Bye.